A Charlotte real estate attorney is now accused of embezzling more than $2 million in client funds. And prosecutors claim that the attorney, Ryan Hatley, used closing funds for personal expenses, including vacations. A Pineville man says that he wired more than $1 million for a Brunswick County waterfront property, but then never received a title to the home. The suit claims the funds were never properly dispersed, and the North Carolina State Bar now has launched emergency proceedings surrounding the meeting. So let's bring in Chief Legal Analyst Clive Rhodes to talk about all this. If these allegations are true, you are smiling. I always love when we start our conversation with that. Did the attorney violate more than just ethics rules, or could this attorney also face some criminal charges?
Yeah, it's a number of things that could happen. You're all over it. First of all, you're dealing with the civil complaint that's out there, right? But then you're dealing with now the state bar ethics complaint, and it could ultimately be some criminal aspects. And so with the state bar things, that's the easiest way. I used to teach ethics. That's why I'm laughing. It's the easiest way you can lose your license. I give examples to my students all the time when I taught at school, and I'd say, look, I got examples of attorneys that have DWIs, that have, assaulted someone, got domestic violence cases, and still kept their license and have been able to practice. The second you start playing with clients' money, you start what's called commingling, taking it from one account, putting it in another account, treating the trust account like it's your own personal piggy bank. That's a recipe for disaster. Most of the time it ends in you losing your license and being disbarred. Regarding the criminal...
Commingling, that's my first time.
Yeah, that's what it's called. It's called commingling.
Embezzlement.
Well, because what happens is the money goes into your trust account. You may give me $1 million, someone else gives me $1 million. It's not individual trust accounts. It's all sitting in my client trust account, all $2 million. Now, I have to do a great accounting and make sure that I keep those funds separate in our account records. But I can't go and take, if you gave me $1 million, I can't go take $1.5 million because now that's exceeded what you put in there. So where did I get that other 0.5? I've taken it from someone else's account. That's a cookie cutter example of commingling funds. Wow. Additionally, as if when they put in your trust account, that money is not mine. I haven't earned it yet. I have to build on that money so that now I can get access to it, and then I would write from the trust to my general account a check and say, hey, funds delivered from Alicia's trust account to my general account. That's now a record trail showing now I have a right to get payment from there.
Right.
If I'm just taking money out, withdrawing it without any documentation, no record trail, yeah, that's going to be an opportunity for you, again, to lose your license. So then in terms of the criminality, that's the embezzlement. You've taken money that's been entrusted to you.
Right.
People are now believing that that money will be there and it won't be spent frivolously. You're a fiduciary. You have a responsibility to take care of your clients' funds.
I'm confused, though, in this case, though. I mean, I have bought several properties, and to me, I just feel like there's a paper trail there. You don't all of a sudden just wire somebody $1 million, even if you're paying cash for the property.
Yeah.
So I'm wondering, why is it now hard to recover that money? And what, for the victims out there, what legal options do they have?
Well, remember, it's a position of trust that you're put in as the attorney. So there's enough time for it to happen. I wouldn't recommend doing it, but the second the funds are transferred from the client to the trust account, it's in the attorney's hands. And so those funds are settled, and now those funds have to go to other attorneys to document the title folks. It's got to go to the inspection. They're paying off all these people, and then ultimately they're going to write a check to the seller of the home. Well, in between that time, this is what I mentioned, the commingling, if you're taking $300,000 out, if you're taking $50,000 out, and then hopefully you're pyramid scheming, thinking that some other trust account will replace that money, that's ultimately how these people get caught. You're in a situation where that money's there for a brief moment. I have enough time to borrow from it and replace it because the accounting practices and the checking, the audit process for that in our state, they're extremely overwhelmed. I mean, it's way more attorneys than you have auditors. So the likelihood of you being audited is slim to none. But the likelihood of you getting caught like this, extremely high.
I got to get this question in because the fact that the North Carolina State Bar stepped in before this lawsuit was filed, what does that tell you?
It tells me that someone filed a grievance complaint against him, and now when they went back and did the accounting, that auditing that I talked about, they found 10 John Does. So all you have to do is go back and say, when were his records reconciled? And then when were they off track?
All right.
And that's what it tells you.
Clive Rhodes, appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Queen City News Plus. Just search Queen City News on your smart TV's app store.